What's he looking at?
Maybe take the bottle out and have him move.
I can't take it out. You can't take it out. Yum, yum. He does that. I think that he does too, like this. Hmm?
Oh, this is what he's gonna look like when he's like really old though.
Old?
Remember they're like babies look like grandparents? Like they will look like this when they're older.
He's cute. I guess you get to see him when they're older.
That's funny.
He's just, it looks like he's sitting. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to hold him?
Okay.
I'm sorry,
Look at these stuff.
Let me just brush him a little first.
Okay, do that.
Oh. Oh, right there. Did he? You didn't eat enough. You didn't eat enough. Don't sleep.